This is the video lecture for Unit 5, Psychometry Part 2. Here we will be covering topic psychometric process. In it, adiabatic mixing of two air stream, and we will also solve numerical in detail. And I think this will be very helpful to solve numericals. This is the most common type of process in which two different air streams are mixed and supplied in the room. These both streams have different quantities of specific humidity, enthalpy, mass W1, H1, M1, W2, H2, M2, and when they are mixed, and their combined property is W3, H3, M3. In psychometric chart, we can represent it condition of first stream is from point 1. Here we have shown W1, H1, dry bulb temperature 1, and condition at point 2, TD2, H2, W2, and if we join these both lines we will get somewhere point 3 here. Okay, now we know that mass will be converted m1 plus m2. Mass of both the input stream will be equal to m3 resultant stream. Energy will be conserved m1 h1 plus m2 h2 will be equal to m3 h3. That is equation 2. Mass balance for water vapor m1 and specific humidity of first stream, m2 specific humidity of second stream will be equal to m3 specific humidity of third stream, resultant stream. This is basically specific humidity, which is ratio of mass of water present per kilogram of dry air. This ratio into m1 plus this ratio into m2 will be this. Now if we put value of m3 from here into this equation and rearrange it, we will get this equation. Similarly, if we replace this m3 with this value, we will get this equation. Now we will take a simple numerical to tackle with this type of problem. Air at m1 1 kg, TD1 40 degrees centigrade and relative humidity 50% is mixed with air with m2 2 kg at dry bulb temperature 20 degrees centigrade and dew point temperature 20 degrees centigrade. Now find the specific humidity and temperature of the mixture. To solve this, first we will mark point 1 with dry bulb temperature 1 and relative humidity 1. We can take any two values here. Here we have shown it on psychometric chart. (40°, 50°, 50% RH. 40°, this is 50% RH line. This is dry bulb temperature 40°, 35-40. I have highlighted it. So we can get other values like W1 as 0.0238. Okay. Point 2 with dry bulb temperature and dew point temperature. Both are at 20°. 20° dry bulb temperature, 20° dew bulb temperature. We will get this point. We have got point 1 and point 2. Okay. And we can find specific humidity or moisture content here as 0.0148 kilogram of water upon 1 kilogram of dry air. So we will connect these both lines. Now point 3 will lie between the line joining these 2 points. We have to find at least one condition to draw point 3. We will use one of these two equations. We are using here this equation. And it is not necessary, we can use this equation also. In that case, we have to find H3, H2, H1, but we are using this equation. Okay, no problem. So we have got this value of W2 and this value of W1 from the psychometric chart. This is W1, this is W2. We can find it easily from psychometric chart, or we can also use steam table and formulas and relation that we have derived, but it is easier method. It might not be very perfect, but it is comparatively easier method. And we have to specify in the exam that, and we have to draw this rough diagram to show that what we have done. So we will put W1 and W2 here and solve it for W3. Now we have got W3. So what we are going to do? We got W3 as 0.0178. We will mark it here and we will draw a line. This line will cut line joining point 1 and 2. So this will be our point of mixed stream. And we can find every other thing about this point. We can find enthalpy. And we have been asked only dry bulb temperature. So we will get dry bulb temperature as this. We can get RH for this. It will be approximately 80 degree. So we can get all the other thing from this chart. So we will find point 3 corresponding to W3 from the chart, and here it is. So we can solve the numerical easily. And this method of joining the point, knowing the process that which line these are following, we can also solve numerical for the previous articles, like the cooling and dehumidification, cooling and humidification. Apart from that, sensible heating, heating and humidification. This is the line which we are covering it. Apart from that, sensible heating, sensible cooling, sensible heating, sensible cooling. We can solve it using this method shown here. Thank you. It is all for now.